As the modified enhanced community quarantine begins implementation in the National Capital Region, Mayor Isko Moreno will be distributing cash aid to residents for the second time. The 1,000 peso cash aid is from the City Amelioration Crisis Assistance Fund. Residents did not go to the City Hall to claim it. Moreno reminded Manileños public school students will also get assistance from the City Hall. Within the month of May, kinder to grade 12 students will be receiving food packs and hygiene kits. Moreno said about 275,000 students will benefit from this assistance.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.